What did you do?
I just accidentally drew it.
How did you accidentally draw it?
Because when you were taking the shower, I did it.
Why did you do that?
Because I sneezed and I put marker.
You sneezed and you put marker on?
Mm-hmm.
Why did you have the marker?
Because I accidentally grabbed it.
You accidentally grabbed it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. How did you accidentally open the marker?
Because my tummy wants me to do it.
Your tummy wanted you to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that was a good idea?
Mm-mm.
That's permanent marker, Kylie. That doesn't come off. What are we going to tell Daddy?
That I just asked and do it.
You accidentally did it? I don't think you accidentally drew on your face. You've never drawn on your face before. One week before your birthday, you draw on your face with permanent marker.
My friends will be so happy.
Your friends will be so happy.
Uh-huh. And I drew me a kitty cat too.
Oh, you drew you a kitty cat. What's on your forehead?
This marker, so I'm a kitty cat. Black kitty cat.
You're a black kitty cat. Oh my goodness.
You can't do it. You can't never get it off because that's gorgeous.
Is that gorgeous?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm glad you think you're gorgeous. Just can't make this stuff up. Life with my 2-year-old Kylie.
5-year 2-year-old cat. I did meow meow.
Oh my goodness.
Now you're just getting
All right.